Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you what to do if your charging isn't working on your Motorola ThinkPhone 25. If your device isn't charging, there is a few quick steps to help you fix the problem. First, check up your charging cable and adapter. Look for frayed wires, bent connectors or signs of damage. Also make sure the charger is compatible with your device. Not all chargers deliver the same power. Next, inspect the charging port on your phone. Dust and dirt can block the connection. Use a non-metallic tool like a wooden toothpick to gently clean the port if it's dirty. Next up, go to Settings, Battery, and Charge Boost. And make sure your fast charging is enabled if your device supports it. Sometimes this feature gets turned off after update, so make sure it's turned on. If charging still doesn't start, try using a different charger or a different power outlet. This helps you find out whether the issue is with the device or the charger itself. And finally, you need to make sure your device's software is up to date. To check it, you'll need to go to your settings and down here to system updates and click check for updates. If there is a new update, make sure to update it, because software updates often include fixes for charging and battery bugs. With these steps you should be able to get your device charging again. So thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.